So guys, before you actually get started, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. We will be looking at USDJPY as Z. We can see the prediction we actually did. We'll go back to watch it. How we predicted that we will very much be having a bullish move today on this USDJPY. Even yesterday, we actually opened and closed bullish. So we would also want to see where our price will be moving for the next day, which is on the 22, right? To actually be able to predict where this USDJPY will be moving for the next day, then there's only one way to go, which is we should start with the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is a time frame that I like the most, to actually understand the full picture of this trade downward. So basically on this weekly time frame, there's only one movement we are making on this weekly time frame, which is a bullish move, right? This is an There was an impulse move usual that was made on USDJPY. We had a pullback area. We had another impulse move. We had a correction. Guess what again? We are actually on another impulse move again. So basically, you can see on the weekly time frame, USDJPY is bullish. And the funny thing is that the price is not yet over. The bullish move is not yet over, because if you are to roll back on this JPY index, there's one thing about this JPY index, by the way. You see that we are actually bearish on our JPY index. So I want us to actually see it this way on this JPY index. So basically, we will start it on this daily time frame. So this is the JPY index I've analyzed. If you see it on this daily time frame, full trend, we are actually bearish, right? JPY index is bearish, which means our JPY PS is dropping. So now we see that this JPY index actually reacted at this level, right? We saw it actually kind of give us a pullback at kind of range within this area for some times. It kind of serves as a resistance and support area here. Then above all, the JPY index broke below it, right? That is, then we now started having this pullback on this JPY index. So basically, reason why we are having this little move on our daily time frame, we are not having this consistent move on this our USD JPY. Now that this correction on our JPY index is over, we are expecting a drop, right? Now the correction has been made, which has tested our one support level. This was a one support level. Price broke below it, and now price has rolled up to test the support level. What we are expecting next again is a drop on this JPY index, which means our JPY PS will actually be dropping. So that is an indication that our USD to our JPY will actually go bullish. Once the USD is going bullish, which means our USD index is giving us a bullish move, then our JPY starts dropping, then we would actually see a bullish move. Now better analysis is on the daily time frame. See it, right? We are actually bullish on this daily time frame, coupled with the fact that price is now above 10 period moving average, and we've had a pullback which has tested the 10 period moving average. What we are expecting next again is a bullish move. Reason why we had bullish move yesterday, and reason why we are also bullish today, definitely the next day, which is on the 22nd, will actually be going bullish on our JPY index. So definitely we should actually break out this ice, which price actually reacted to. We saw price came to this level, it dropped, came to this level again, drop, and we are seeing it through to that level. So let's see if we can take the buys from today to tomorrow to this level, which is about 100 pips. So if you can take this buy on USDJPY up to that level, we should be grabbing 100 pips, and after the grabbing 100 pips, then our USD JPY should actually break out of that level and continue to go bullish. Exactly what we are aiming for to trade. Now down to the 4-hour time frame, which we would want to place our trade on. So definitely we can see this as the level price came, dropped. It came to this level again and it's dropped. And guess what? We are seeing it rising to that level again. So from here to the level our price has been rejecting from, we have about 100 pips. So basically, if you can take this buy as of recent, which is the 20, as you are watching it now, you should actually take the buy up to 100 pips, and possibly once the 100 pips is over, then we should be expecting a breakout again on this USDJPY. So the next day, today and next day, we should actually see a bullish move on this USDJPY. So that is it on this JPY. And 1-hour time frame also, it is actually bullish. So we can actually take a buy because we see this impulse move, higher highs, right? A pullback was made. Then we add another higher highs which broke above the previous higher highs. another higher highs was made, which broke above the previous higher highs, and now we've had this higher highs, which broke above the previous higher highs. This is a pullback level, right, on the 1 hour time frame. After a pullback level, then we are going bullish on this USD JPY for the day.